So, hi dear Sagittarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 22nd of September for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, honey, let's see what we have. Sagittarius, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the Sun card, the Two of Wands, and the Two of Cups. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Two of Swords. In their mind space, they are feeling blocked. You know, this person is not able to see the clear picture of the future. They're not able to understand what can happen, what cannot happen. They are torn between two energies, two situations, or two decisions, and they're not able to see the clear picture of any kind of decision as of now. In their mind space, in their heart space, in their feelings, they are very sure that at some point of time you guys are going to meet again. You guys are going to have a beautiful connection again. You and them are made for each other. They're very sure and they're very happy about it. They're very clear about it. They know, like, time and distance is at play here. When the timing is going to be right, when the distance is going to be removed between you guys have the potential to have this soulmate kind of a dynamic, and they're quite happy. Like, whenever they're thinking about this, like you guys with each other, you guys being with each other, they're quite happy about it. They're feeling very happy, and they're feeling their stomach in the butterflies kind of a deal, and they know that at some point of time you guys are going to be together again, because they just know it. Even if you are married to somebody else or committed to somebody else, they are in some kind of daydream, and they are pretty sure that this dream is going to be a reality someday. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Three of Cups, the Seven of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Pentacles. This person wants to clear the air with you regarding some kind of third party kind of a deal. Either you cheated on them or they cheated on you, or one of you did something wrong behind somebody's back and they got to know about it. Or even if there's nothing like that, they want to sort something out with you regarding some kind of third party issues. Now the third party can be distance, it can be money, it can be financial issues, it can be family issues or caste issues, it can be romantic third parties. Whatever is the issue between you guys, they want to sort it out with you. They want to let go of all the lies and cheatings and manipulations and everything, and they want to come clean towards you with a clean cut energy, with a clear cut energy, right? Again, this person wants to wait for the right time when they will be able to do everything that they have planned for you, for this connection, because again, this person is living in this bubble that you guys are meant for each other. It's just a matter of time, and it's just a matter of you guys meeting each other again. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 22nd of September, Sagittarius. We have the King of Cups, the Four of Wands, the World card. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Wands. I do see this person coming towards Sagittarius. You guys are going to talk to each other about commitment, about long-term partnership and or marriage. For some of you, one of you is going to talk to the other person about ending some kind of marriage or commitment kind of deal with somebody else, if you guys wants to stick around. For some of you. For others of you, I do see this person trying to close the deal with you, trying to make you understand that they see a future with you and they want to be with you. I don't see this person playing any more games with you, this person trying to, manipulate you or trying to hide something for you. This person wants to come clean towards you. They have this dream of being with you, and I think this person is going to express their feelings to you, to get committed to you or to get married to you or to get settled with you in the coming future. So I do see clear cut communication from this person's side. Now it could be you going towards them with this clear cut communication, it could be them. Okay, I don't know where it is going to go, because I do see communication happening, and this communication is going to be quite emotional, quite open, quite honest, where one of you is going to talk about long term partnership and or future with each other, and the what the other person is going to do is actually a different story. But I do see somebody coming towards you with an open heart, with an open energy, with an honest energy of being with you for the rest of their life. And for some of you, it could be like they want to come towards you with this energy of let's end things with somebody that they're already with, or they will talk to you about you should end things with somebody that you are with, so that you guys can be together. Take it how it resonates with you according to your story. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys, Sagittarius. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, don't take any kind of decisions in any kind of rush or hurry, or in any kind of unstable kind of energies. Make wise choices and make wise decisions here, Sagittarius. It's your life, not a video game. Even if you think this is the best decision of your life, take your time. Understand all the pros and cons and everything before jumping into any kind of conclusions regarding this situation. Okay, because any kind of rush or any kind of hurry or any kind of okay let's do it can backfire. So take your time. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.